Hello, my name is Andrew, and I chose to talk about speed, velocity, and acceleration as my topic today. So, what is speed? Speed refers to how fast an object is moving. Speed can be thought of as the rate of which an object covers distance. A fast moving object has a high speed and thus covers a relatively large distance in a short amount of time. As a slow-moving object that has a low speed will just cover a relatively small amount of distance within that same amount of time. An object with no movement at all has a zero speed. To demonstrate this, I have these two mushrooms here. So if the red mushroom has a higher speed, it's always going to be further ahead in the same amount of time as where the green one could be. Velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is the measurement of the rate of which an object changes its position. Although it's often confused with speed, the direction in which the object is moving is required for this measurement. There are many different types of velocity measurements, including average, instantaneous, and acceleration. So, what is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as the rate at which an object changes its velocity. An object is accelerating if it's changing its velocity. So, what velocity is saying is that if we're going to go in one direction, that's our speed, but it's our speed with direction. The direction will determine everything. But with acceleration, when we change directions, our velocity changes, thus that is our acceleration. Now, how are these things used in game design? Well, in a game like Mario Kart, speed is used to see the max speed a driver can travel. Velocity is used in a game like this due to the acceleration of karts within the game. In the end, without the knowledge of physics, even just basic ideas such as these games could not be possible. Every game ever created dealt with physics. The only difference is that in games we can bend and modify these laws to create different experiences that we normally could not experience in our real world. Thank you for listening to my talk today. These are my citations for images, and have a good day.